here with us today? Who is here today with us? Oh. Today is the new Prime Minister here today with us. So please always remember, Anwar Ibrahim, the next new Prime Minister, another 3 days to go. So today, all of us are here today for what? To support Anwar Ibrahim. We don't have to ask what Anwar Ibrahim can do. We know he can do everything. He is the best person to do things for our country. He was only not given the chance for so many years. So today, all of you are here. Even when you go back, you are going for voting your family members. Please remember whom to vote. Our new Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim. And I'm from Malaysia Pakistani Business Council and also from other NGOs. So today I have the chance to talk to the new Prime Minister. Once the Prime Minister is on by next week, so even we, our Pakistani community, we would like to ask for a senator post to help our Pakistanis, to help all our poor Pakistani brothers and sisters, and to bring them up together. Hope that our new Prime Minister will look into this matter for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.